x. Firstly, we will an example. We will write it into a x plus iota y form. We have a question 1 upon 1 minus cos theta plus 2 iota sin theta. For making the denominator real, firstly we will make a denominator real, and for this we will do a realization. And for realization, we take a conjugate of the denominator. For conjugate, we change a sign of the iota, positive to negative or negative to positive. So we have 1 minus cos theta minus 2 iota sin theta, and 1 minus cos theta minus 2 iota sin theta. With this factor, we will multiply or divide by that. So we got 1 minus cos theta minus 2 iota sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta whole square minus 2 iota sin theta whole square. Here we can apply the identity a square minus b square is equals to a minus b or a into a plus b. After applying the formula, we have got denominator 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta plus 4 sin square theta. For sin square theta, we can write it sin square theta plus 3 times of sin square theta. So we have 1 minus cos theta minus 2 iota sin theta upon 1 plus cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 3 times of sin square theta minus 2 times of cos theta. And we already know cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. So we'll put the value of this. And we got 1 minus cos theta minus 2 iota sin theta upon 2 plus 3 sin square theta minus 2 cos theta. Now we will make a separate to the real part and the imaginary part. For real part, we have 1 minus cos theta upon 2 plus 3 sin square theta and minus 2 cos theta. And for imaginary part, we have a 2 sin theta upon 2 plus 3 sin square theta minus 2 cos theta, which is an x plus iota y form. Now, in the next example, we have given some problem and we have to prove it is a rational. Rational means p by q form. For this, we have two parts. We will solve it one by one. 3 plus 2 iota upon 2 minus 5 iota. For making a denominator real, we will do a realization. Now we will multiply or divide by taking the conjugate of the denominator. Means we will multiply by 2 plus 5 iota divided by a 2 plus 5 iota also. And we will do the calculations. After doing the calculations, we have a minus 4 by 29 plus 19 by 29 iota. Similarly, we can do a calculation of the second part of it, that which is a 3 minus 2 iota upon 2 plus 5 iota. It's a solvation. We have got a minus 4 by 29 and minus 19 by 29 iota. Now we have given its plus, and then we taken its addition. After cutting the imaginary part, we have got minus 88 by 29, which is a rational number. Now we have a third example. Show that real value of the x will satisfy the equation. Means if we get a value of the real of x, this equation will hold. And moreover, we have one or more condition given: a square plus b square should be equals to 1 and ab both are real. For this, we will apply the componendo and dividendo formula. For this, we have a numerator or denominator, which is equals to a numerator plus denominator or numerator minus a denominator. We will apply the componendo and the dividendo left side or a right side simultaneously. Now we have a numerator 1 minus iota x and denominator is a 1 plus iota x. And on the right hand side, we have a numerator 1 a minus iota b and denominator is a 1. Now numerator plus denominator and numerator minus a denominator. Similarly, we will apply to the right hand side also. Numerator plus denominator, numerator minus a denominator. Now after doing a little bit calculations, we have got 2 upon minus 2 iota x. And right hand side, we have a denominator imaginary part, means in a right hand side we have an iota present. Now for the same way, after making the denominator real, we have to do the denominator real, we have to take the conjugate of the denominator and multiply it or divide by that. After doing the calculations, we got iota by x is equals to 2ab iota, and we're taking the 2 common, 1 minus a. Here we use the condition a square plus b square is equals to 1, which we have already given, and comparing iota by cancelling out the iota, we give the 1 by x is equals to ab upon 1 minus a, and we're taking the reciprocal, we get a x is equals to 1 minus a upon ab. Now for a fourth example, we have given a plus iota b upon c plus iota d is equals to x plus iota y. We have to show that x square plus y square is equals to a square plus b square upon c square plus d square. Firstly, we do that we have given, we have to make a real part, we have to equate real and imaginary part, both are different, equate. Now for making the right hand side realization, denominator real, we will multiply or divide by taking the conjugate of the denominator. We got ac minus a iota d plus iota bc plus bd upon c square plus d square. We write the real part different and the imaginary part different, then we equate the real and imaginary part. We got x and y value. Now for proving that, we have given x square plus y square. For this we will do a square of x and do a square of y, and we add that. So we did here that x square plus y square and put the value of the x and y. After doing the calculations, we have got a square c square plus b square c square plus b square d square plus a square d square upon c square plus d square the whole square. Now in two factors we got a c square common, and inside we got a square plus b square plus d square into b square plus a square upon c square plus d square the whole square. Now we have factors, we have got the c square plus d square, a square plus b square upon c square plus d square the whole square. One factor is cancelled out and we have left with a square plus b square upon c square plus d square, which is the right hand side of the given. Thank you.